Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm very excited to discuss with you my favorite topic, fashion. Because I'm a fashion designer and I am related to this. So, if you are a student of fashion, you learn about fashion, then this blog definitely work for you. So, then let's get started. So, now we discuss about what is fashion. Fashion is a popular aesthetic and expression at a particular time and place and specific context and the clothing. Footwear, lifestyle, accessories, makeup, hairstyle and body proportion. And according to pair of the fashion connect to latest fashion, the latest difference. So it's relate to you are including way what is the fashion. According to me, fashion also allowed to way in which things are made. To a fashion, something is to make it particular from most commonly. Fashion is defined to a prevailing the style, dress, behavior at given time, and with the strong implication of the fashion is the character and by the change. As of now, fashion is any style and that is popularity accepted by purchase by group of people over the reasonably long period of time. Not every style becomes fashion, and to be considered a fashion, a style must be accepted by the number of people in a society. For example, the particular clothing style and film stars and maybe adopted to the people of the large as a fashion. So fashion is a term and which is referred to as a state of mind. This word come from Latin words of means its make fashion is most commonly and associated with clothing, but it even apply of anything from the interior and architecture of the model of toys and its spirit of where the individual comfortable and with the made of clothing and consider of useful of many aspect of culturally. So with the mode of clothing and consider and useful in many aspect of culturally and socially, and perhaps most distinctive and quality about the fashion and since the early time to that of increasing the simplicity. So simplicity is very important. You can say that simple living and high thinking it's just related to be followed as a fashion. Now we discuss about type of fashion. Modern fashion design is divided into two main categories is couture and prêt-à-porter. So couture is a French word, is a high swing, is a high dressmaking. It refers to the creation of exclusively custom fitted clothing. So basically it's made to order like for a custom made for a specific customer and is usually made from the high quality expensive fabric and sewing with extreme attention to the details, finish and using the time consuming and hand executed techniques. It originally referred to the Paris and it's made by 19th century and modern France is couture is protected name can be used only by the firm that meets certain of the well-defined standard. So however the term and also the loosely and describe also the high fashion custom fitted clothing and produce the Paris and other fashion capital and such a Milan, London, Rome, New York, Tokyo all are follow on that. So prêt-à-porter is French word, it's term of ready to wear. So ready to wear is a prêt-à-porter is the fashion design and term of clothing is marketed and finished condition for like just a ready-made garment and standard clothing size in the fashion industry. Designer produce ready to wear clothing and intent of the worn and without profitable and way to produce the garments and they are standard pattern and factory to custom and showing the vision of the same item also and some fashion house and fashion designer create the ready to wear lines and mass produce of the industry and manufacture while other offer of the lines and very exclusive and produce only the limited number for limited time and usually the specific wholesalers. So ready to wear collection can be also divided also. Next range, confection collection or mass market, are the ones we see most commonly in our shops. Stylists design these collections. The brand that produce these collections aim only for the mass public, are in the journal and not searching for a new point of a new on fashion, because it's not matter on these mass market also. So second is designer creator collection. So have a high quality and superb finish and unique cuts, designs, and these collections are most trend and setting the compare to couture and confection, and these ready to wear collection and often contain of the concept item that represent a certain philosophy of theory, and these items are not created for sale but only to create a fashion trend. The designer's ready to wear collection is also modeled on international catwalk. So area of fashion, it's very important. So fashion designing is one of the most important area of work in the fashion industry. It offers to promising and scope of the financial and as well as professional growth. The fashion industry is booming to economy and vast field of the study. So many professional fashion designers start their own career by specializing the particular product. So area of specification, like women's wear, we can divide into day wears, evening wears, and lingerie and bridal wear. They are the category of women's wear. So girls teenage wears is a pretty colorful, highly fashion and practical, washable and inexpensive item also. So type of fashion like that. So ready to wear is the mass market like also. Now we discuss about fashion design. Fashion design is the applied art and dedicated to clothing and lifestyle accessories and created and reflected to the culture and social influence and specific time and place. So fashion design is not restricted to fads, which is generally known as the current look or streetwear. It's covered everything from the uniform to hardware, and it's not restricted to the Western culture. Technically, all clothing created from a specific purpose of the fashion design. Fashion design decades of change and clothing over time, and it is often of the wrongly and pre-received and that fashion design and restricted to the fashion design. And fashion is a label. So name fashion design is a grow from the serving of the practical purpose to the recognized from our art. Now we learn about key tasks of a designers. So the terms of fashion designer, conjunctions of the glamour, image of model and catwalk, and show the strictly designs and fashion garments. So however, the reality of the job for many designer is one of the working under pressure and within the tight of the budget of leading the fashion retailers brand. Are one of their the suppliers, the work is fast and pieced off. Some and many argue and lacking of the creating and satisfaction as a interpretation of the trend and rather than innovation of the originally are the mass market. So fashion business often want and there are many different textiles and apparels and design role of the fashion industries. For some example are established designer of international brand, textile designer for a fabric manufacturer, and designer for multiple fashion and retail brands group like Topshop and Arcadia of the groups, and designer for small fashion mail orders business, and designer for a fashion manufacturer like Sailing Design retailers. And each of these cases of role of fashion designer will be slightly different according to the level of autonomy and enjoy the customer need. So requirement for a good fashion designer must be the imaginative and have a natural ability to design and have a talent for clothing. They should love fashion and fabric and beauty, and they must be creative artists and can be sketch and who have a strong sense of art, element and principle. They must be able to generate the constant of flow of newer ideas, and they must be also the decade of belief and firmly their own creativity. So it's very important. So creativity, it's related to your art. So what do you think about that? So fashion designer and must have technical knowledge of the fabric, trimming and fit, and technical skill like a pattern making, draping, sewing, and will be added to the talent. And they should be able to visualize the three-dimensional garment and before it is made to be added. Designers must plan and supervise the work of their staff members. They should understand manufacturing process and should be able to help with the costing of the garment. All design must be produced at a profit and within the form of wholesale price range, and so they should consider the available and the cost of material and technique of production and labor cost, and they need to be work easily and comfortably with others. So call of character and flexibility of corporation. So they should be work well and under pressure and often in the restricted work conditions. So fashion designers should have awareness of changing the social and economic changes so that their designs have a good consumer demand. So designer must be study and lifestyle of their consumers and of their designs, and indeed of because designer work far and advance and final production. A designer should be able to ideas and inspiration in all art and lifestyle and throughout the world, and by going through the exhibit of the art and show, theater, dance and world and travel, and especially of a fashion of the past, and which are the rich source of design inspiration. Thanks for watching my channel. If you like my video, please like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Then you can check it out my new fashion vlog also. Take care.